Minisita Muveani wa Useseei wa Nthini Kipchumba Murkomen Niwathingiliila Kana Mutongoi wa Kyama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua Asyokethya va Kenya Noandikithasyaa Mauvoo Yiulu wa Kila Unaneenie Kukonia Umamai va Nthi ya Kenya Nthi ya Amerika. Murkomen ni wa mwenda Gachagua Asyokethya eyumilia maofisini ma DCI kuandikithia Mauvoo na vala mithenya mihuthu mivitu. Gachagua ta unavikiie kunena kana unavikiie na kumwenda Musumila Mruto ailesi a Kenya niki wa komania na ikundi ya Umamai ya Al-Shabaab. Daniel Mwangala ni watumbanisya Mauvoo.
Minisita Muveani wa indiri ya Kipchumba Murkomen na nena andikima Mauvoo vana rock ni waeleshekana ulona munini wa musumbi va Nthi ya Kenya Rigathi Gachagua ni walite kuandikithia livoti Yiulu wa uneni wake wa kana Nthi ya Kenya ni thitu ndikwateania na Umamai cia Al-Shabaab.
If, and I insist, if the former Deputy President has any information that is worth consideration, not just by local, even international institutions, if he has that information, he must record it with the DCI as soon as he arrives the country so that we can take him seriously. Until then, we will just consider it a part of his continuous comedy and caricature that he has become in everything he says out there. And I think if the former Deputy President is not going to record a statement about what he said about Al-Shabaab and the country, then the right thing for him is we check him in a mental institution for mental assessment. Since he has information, you can see liars, you know, this pathological liar, you can see through his lies. 1 minute he is saying that he has information that is relevant to dealing with Al-Shabaab and people who are doing business and collaborating with the enemy. In the other minute, when he's told to put that information in a proper record, he starts running away that he's not going to record it, that information. That means that's just lies and sound bites for social media and for purpose of inciting the public and disparaging the nation.
Wengi ni wakulia Rigathi Gachagua aikikwa nangia Nthi ya Kenya isiitwa ndailekana ethiwa na maunungu nisio ni walito maandikithia kwa nziela ya ilite na kuma na ndeto cia kuthothea waniko na kithoko.
If he is a man enough and he is a person of integrity, he should put his allegations in writing, you know, together with the evidence that he has, the people who are in the meeting that he is alleging that the meeting, the businesses that those people bring, the collaborators. Since he seems to have a lot of information, it is laughable that a citizen of the Republic of Kenya who is seeking high office is telling the citizens of this country would rather appear before a senate of another country than his own country. We are not stupid people. We are looking through. You can see through his hypocrisy, but we will insist. We are continuing to insist that any citizen of this republic who makes such heavy allegations and who thinks that they are doing so for the good of the country, they are obligated to put that in writing. And and when I say that they should record a statement, it doesn't mean that the National Police Service is not independent. I am just restating what is in the law.
Uonde ukaivindani la Rigathi Gachagua wendere utwaisya ndambuka yake the America nila wambiisye mwaini muvitu ku aendeesya na kuchendeto cia ukosoa serikali na uthukumi wayo. Daniel Mwangala, Mutongoi TV, kuva kaunti-ini ya Masai.